Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Boss Dog is probably one of the most talked about freeze-dried dog food options on the market right now, and for good reason. If you're a devoted pet parent looking to elevate your furry friend's nutrition with a convenient, high-quality meal, you've likely stumbled upon Boss Dog. This freeze-dried food promises a blend of taste and health benefits, aiming to provide a complete and balanced diet that dogs will love, making mealtime both enjoyable and beneficial for their overall well-being. Number 5. Instinct RawBoost Mixers Freeze-Dried Dog Food Topper. Give your dog an extra boost of protein with every meal. Each serving contains 5 grams of protein derived from responsibly sourced meat. We freeze-dry raw ingredients at their peak freshness. This process locks in essential nutrients that promote better digestion, healthier skin and coat, increased energy, and overall vitality. Is your dog a picky eater? This topper is perfect for enhancing mealtime with its irresistible flavor. It can also be given as a delicious and healthy treat. It's made with real meat, non-GMO vegetables, and fruits. You can be confident knowing it's free from grains, potatoes, corn, wheat, soy, byproduct meals, and artificial colors or preservatives. We proudly craft this product in the USA. We use only the finest ingredients sourced from around the world to ensure quality and safety. What we like. This product is packed with protein and uses the power of raw ingredients to support your dog's overall vitality. If you have a picky eater or want to enhance your dog's current meals with added nutrition and flavor, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those looking to boost their dog's diet with high-quality, natural ingredients. What people say. No issues ever with bowels. They seem very good quality and they are very soft. The bag comes with a lot so it lasts a long time. They really help with his digestion as well. No additives, which is great. Number 4. Vital Essentials Freeze-Dried Raw Beef Dog Food. Give your dog the peak vitality they deserve with our freeze-dried raw beef food. It's packed with more protein than standard options, offering a truly complete meal. We believe in wholesome nutrition. That's why our premium freeze-dried raw food is made with proteins responsibly sourced from trusted American farms. Experience the difference high-quality protein makes. It supports energetic play, healthy skin, a shiny coat, strong teeth, and essential gut health. Our commitment to quality means farm-raised, humanely harvested proteins. We go above industry standards to preserve flavor and nutrients in every bite. You'll find no fillers, dyes, or artificial preservatives here. We use high-quality protein from the whole animal, perfect for picky eaters or those with allergies. Unlike dehydrated options, our freeze-dried raw food retains more of the natural goodness. It's a complete and balanced meal designed for your dog's well-being. What we like. This option offers a high concentration of beef, making it a fantastic choice for dogs who thrive on a protein-rich diet. If you are looking for a complete and balanced meal solution with limited ingredients, especially for dogs with sensitivities or allergies, this is ideal. Its focus on whole animal protein ensures maximum nutritional benefits. What people say. This is an exceptionally well-rounded source of protein and essential minerals. Unlike most brands that rely solely on muscle meat, which often loses nutrients during processing, this formula includes the benefits of organ meat, bone, and connective tissue. I love that it's freeze-dried. There are no fillers or artificial flavors. The nib size is the perfect size, bigger than traditional kibble but manageable, and the texture is crunchy but not too hard, not as hard as kibble, which is great for older dogs or smaller breeds. The food quality is excellent, and I feel good knowing it supports his health with clean, raw ingredients. This great freeze-dried formula was a not-too-processed version of freeze-dried raw beef that is the right size to come down the kibble chute in a pretty predictable way. Plus, wow, do the cats go crazy for it. I've used it a couple times to round out when I forgot to thaw the raw in time, and they get so excited for it. Number 3. Leash Boss Travel Dog Food Carrier. Keep your dog's food fresh, dry, and bug-free on all your adventures. Its waterproof interior and airtight seal lock in freshness, ensuring no more stale kibble for your furry friend. Traveling with your pet is a breeze with this portable carrier. It offers versatile carrying options with an adjustable strap or handle, and a detachable buckle for easy attachment to backpacks or other gear. This isn't just a food carrier, it's a complete travel companion. It features a built-in poop bag dispenser and a spacious front pocket for essentials like treats, keys, and medicine. Carry up to 30 cups or 10 pounds of food, perfect for extended trips or vacations. Its lightweight yet durable design makes it ideal for road trips, camping, or RV adventures. Constructed with durable, waterproof materials, this carrier is built to withstand the rigors of pet life. It's designed to keep your dog's food safe and secure, no matter where your travels take you. Buy with confidence knowing this product is backed by our 1-year manufacturer's warranty. We stand behind our quality and are here to ensure your satisfaction with your purchase. What we like. This is designed for the active pet owner who travels frequently with their dog. If you are looking for a convenient way to transport your dog's food while keeping it fresh and protected from the elements, this is the perfect solution. Its all-in-one design, including a poop bag dispenser and storage pocket, makes it ideal for camping, road trips, or any outdoor adventure. What people say. Size allows to pack several days' worth of food. The bag closes like a dry bag and allows for no smells to come out. It has enough places to clip collapsing bowls and my dog's water bottle. It also has a pocket for potty bags. The additional pockets allow us to pack treats and other odds and ends that he needs when traveling. It even has a poop bag dispenser, which is great. The top folds down to hold food in and then the two ends clip together. Good construction. It has one small pocket which fit a tennis ball and an antler chew and some poop bags. It has one even smaller pocket that I crammed a thin leash into for an extra. It also came with a long strap which seems helpful for carrying. I had a water bottle that fit perfect in the red elastic laces. Number 2. PAWUP freeze-dried Minnows dog treats. Introducing our premium single-ingredient treat, made with 100% fresh minnows. It's a clean, wholesome snack your pet will love in every bite. Our advanced freeze-drying technology preserves essential nutrients and natural flavors. This results in a protein-packed treat rich in omega-3 for your pet. Crafted with whole, larger-sized minnows, these treats offer a more primal and satisfying snack. They are perfect for pets who enjoy a bigger chew. Completely gluten-free, rawhide-free, and without artificial additives, these are easily digestible. They are a safe and stomach-friendly option for your beloved pets. Serve them whole, crumbled, or rehydrated to enhance their meaty aroma. These treats offer flexible feeding methods to suit every pet's preference. Keep your furry friends excited with a variety of flavors. They ensure balanced, protein-rich nutrition for training, topping, or daily rewards. What we like. This treat is made from a single, high-quality ingredient, whole minnows, making it an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. If you're seeking a healthy, natural training reward or meal topper that is easily digestible and free from artificial additives, this is a superb option. It's particularly suitable for pets who benefit from fish-based nutrition or those with common protein sensitivities. What people say. The dogs love this food and it has helped with their digestion. This food is great for my dogs. It has helped them gain weight and they have more energy. I have been using this food for a while now and my dogs are doing great. They have more energy and their coats are shinier. Number 1. Boss Dog Freeze-Dried Raw Chicken Recipe. Give your dog a wholesome raw meal that mimics a wild diet. This recipe is designed to support optimal health for dogs of all ages. Our recipes start with protein and are enhanced with carefully selected produce. They are completely free of GMOs, grain, soy, and corn for a natural diet. Each cup contains 500 million probiotics to aid digestion. These beneficial bacteria also support the immune system and improve nutrient absorption. This meal solution is versatile and easy to prepare. It can be served as a snack, a topper, a mixer, or a complete meal. Adult dogs should be fed twice daily, while puppies and nursing females need 3 to 4 feedings. Adjust portions based on your pet's individual needs and activity level. What we like. This product offers a complete and balanced raw meal solution that is easy to serve and digest, thanks to its soft texture and added probiotics. If you are looking for a convenient way to provide your dog with a raw diet that supports gut health and nutrient absorption, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for owners who want a versatile meal option that can be used as a complete meal, topper, or mixer. What people say. My very picky dog gobbles this up like there's no tomorrow. A friend of mine told me about this product and how much her dogs loved it. One of my dogs was not eating as well as I would like her to, so I took a couple pieces and crumbled it over the food and she gobbled it right up. Just a few of these crumbled on top of his food is all it took. He's been eating regularly now for several weeks. It's not a fluke, he's consistently eating only when he has his crumbles on top. This package lasts a very long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.